Hi, I'm Rachel Holmes, and this is a wicked lower body workout. No equipment required at all. 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Enjoy. It's going to work all the major muscles in the lower body. Going to feel it. And I would love you to repeat this workout twice through. So when I'm finished, you press play and do it all over again. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what workouts you love and subscribe. Warm yourself up and then let's go. 4 squats, nice and deep. 3, good, lower. 2, 1 more. 4 walking squats. 1, so just come forward, sitting right back. There you go. And then 4 squats, straight away, down and up. You can do this, I know you can. Now travel back, 4 squats. 3, so just turning on a different angle every time. Now squat, 4, out of reach. You've got it. 1 more. Now side squat, right and center left. 10 seconds left. Let's keep it going. We've got a break coming up. Go, go. So little combinations in these 45 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah.
You now have 15
Okay, so just have the legs, shake it out. Now right leg is going to curtsy, squat, and then across the front.
4, 3.
Okay, right leg is going back. Curtsy, squat, really deep. Cross, squat. Now take the leg over and then squat. Over again. Now squat, right leg behind. Cross over, squat. Let's add a reach. Cross, squat. Now bring it in front. I'm just going to add a little bit of rotation there and squat. Right leg again. Cross behind. Squat. Good, behind. In front. Cross over. Squat.
10 seconds left.
Cross. Now just to the end. Give me a little bit of power. Jump off.
4,
3, 2, 1. Yes.
You now have 15 seconds rest.
Legs are burning. They are burning. Okay, right leg lunges forward, lateral, back and squat. Great matrix. Right leg, front lunge, lateral, posterior, squat. Left, front lunge, lateral, posterior, squat. Again, front lunge. So you've got that inside leg, stay straight. Again, front lunge, lateral,
halfway there,
back, squat. Come on, let's go. Forward and side. Push back, squat. Come on, as deep as you can. Front lunge. Come on, do it with me.
10 seconds
It's
left.
only 6-minute workout. Again, front lunge, lateral,
4, 3,
back. We're going to keep going.
You now have
Left.
15 seconds rest.
So we're equal. Back, squat. Woo. Okay, a little bit of power on this one. 4 power squats. 1, 2. So I'm just coming 3. Now wide to narrow. 4, 3, 2. 1 more. Now low side squat. Just for 2. Now left. We can feel it. Can you feel it? Yes.
Halfway
1 more. Okay, once again, forward and back. 1, 2. Now 2 wide. 1 more. 2 side squats left. Whoa.
10 seconds left.
Come on, hit the legs hard. Remember, you're going to do this all over again. Push down. 3,
2.
Woo.
You now have 15 seconds rest.
Gosh, legs. Definitely feeling it. And we've not used any weights even. Okay. Reverse lunge and squat. Right leg, step back. Squat, touch the floor. Floor. Do that again. Right leg back. Down and up. Left. Now power. Left side. Lateral hop. Go low. Keep going. Your heart rate will come up. 4 more. Hold. Left leg. Lunge back. Squat. Lunge. Squat down. You can do it. Push.
10 seconds left.
One more. Getting warm now. Jump right. 1, 3,
2.
1.
You now have 15 seconds rest.
Woo! Working hard. Did you feel it? We definitely did. Okay.
3.
Travel 4 squats right. 1, 2. Little combination. One more. Lunge forward and back left leg. 1, 2. Keeping the back straight. Feet together. Reach in front. Reach to the side. In front. Side. Now just side squat. 2 more.
Halfway there.
One more. 4 squats left. 1. Up. 2. Really low. One more. Right leg lunge forward. 1, 2.
10 seconds left.
3. One more. Side squat. 1.
4. 3.
Now just squat feet together. In front.
Round 1.
Wide.
Complete. You now
2
have
more.
15 seconds rest.
One more. And shake it out. That was hard. Okay, you are going to press play. Do the whole thing again. Remember to share
3,
and subscribe.